am Steve Bindi, and I am looking for the rare Laflupa bird. Now, I believe I have found one, and as you can see, the rare habitat of the Laflupa bird is in ruins. What are you doing? The camera's supposed to be on me. The camera's supposed to be on me! And anyway, I think I have found the rare Laflupa bird. The rare Laflupa bird is over there. Do you see the rare Laflupa bird? You have to be very quiet because it's sleeping. Hello, birdie! It almost bit me, huh? Hello. Okay, listen. I'm going to take you home today and relocate you. Quite a feisty creature, as you can see. Just come on. Just come on. Just come on. Come on, Betty, I'm going to take you home.
Found it?
Yes, I found it.
That's amazing.
Today, I will now put it in the foolproof Laflupa cage. Yeah. Yeah.
What'd you do? Beat it with a stick?
No. Yes. Come here. I want to give you a look.
We'll give you permission to actually look at the Laflupa bird inside its protective cage.
There appears to be a transportational device in there with it. Are you sure I won't use it to escape?
No. Okay. Cut.
Mr. Steve? Mr. Bindi. Oh, it's time to start filming, sir. And the bird is gone.
You're kidding, right?
No.
You're kidding.
No, sir.
You're kidding.
No, sir.
You're kidding.
Your accent, sir.
Oh. You're kidding.
Yes.
You're kidding.
No, sir.
You're kidding.
I'm sorry.
Where's the bird?
I don't know.
Where is the bird?
I don't know, sir. I hear it, sir.
There it is.
It disappeared. It's a master of disguise.
No. It's just a stupid animal.
Oh no, sir. Please don't.
Yes, you're right. I'll use the gun.
No, sir, you can't shoot it. You're supposed to protect... What are you doing back there?
I caught it.
You caught it?
Yeah.
What?
I got it.
Your assistant...
Got it.
You caught it?
Yeah, you caught it.
Yes.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Woo! Yes.
Woo!
Yes. Yeah. Look.
It's my protege.
Yeah.
This is real footage. I'm not even supposed to be filming this. Mr. Bindi and his apprentice are fighting over who gets to keep the bird. Let's watch.
Yeah, but if I wouldn't have found it,
bird.
if I wouldn't have found it
My
the first time, you're the one that's sticking your hand up its butt. Never mind. Never mind. It's my bird.
It's my bird.
It's my bird.
It's mine.
It's mine.
A blow has been struck. The bird has fallen. The bird. They've knocked it out. Oh, and they're hurt.
Man. I hate you. You'll never be my friend again. Sorry, you okay?
Mr. Bindi.
Get the camera off.
But sir, he's... I was in bed and I heard a mysterious noise. We were tired early because we're leaving in the morning. Let's see what it is. Bindi. What's he doing? He's going towards the bird. Is it cradled in his arms, all nice and soft? He took the bird. He took the bird from the apprentice. He sees me. No, sir, please, sir. Sir, I was filming this for you. For you. I could tell of your epic adventure to catch the bird and Sir, I'll help you. I'll record your selling of the bird.
Stay.
Sir, Sir, I will help you. Let me help you. Please, I'll record the bird. We can sell the videos on YouTube. Make millions of dollars. It happens all the time. I mean, look at Justin Bieber.
I hate Justin Bieber. Look what you did, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's Jeff Irwin. And this is the guy who helped Steve Binding, I think is what his name was. Yeah, this is the guy who helped him discover the great bird, the Laflupa bird. He could never say it right. What is that music?
I don't know. Maybe we should go check it out.
My room! Oh my! Oh, you stupid!
It's kind of funny. It's kind of good.
It's kind of good.
Dude, we could put this on YouTube.
Quit filming me!
High five, little man. Good job, man.
Woo!
Way up